A lifestyle of these beats and rhymes. A lifetime through these papers lines. A lifestyle of these streets and grind. This is real life and you can't press rewind.
This one's for the culture, where the rhymes build the sculptures. Longevity like roaches, dreams of magazines and posters. The ones that's for the dome are holding hostess, and most that won't approach us focus. We the carriers of torches, light from the darkness with the markers out the parker. No problem out for commas, real upon us, spit another saga. Hungry, the famished, never lavish, not extravagant. Pain and anguish, painted the language on microphones I brandish. It's where they come and go, or rise or fall, or not at all. Peace to the legends that's immortalized and never saw. Gone but not forgotten, how to prosper when you out of options, or how to get it poppin' when you out the projects. Off the granite, out the pavement, made them famous. Never took for granted how I managed. Most these rappers fabricated. They fantasize of glamorous ice and amulets. Melody is potent, hearing sirens of the ambulance. A lifestyle of these beats and rhymes. A lifetime through these papers lines. A lifestyle of these streets and grind. This is real life and you can't press rewind. A lifestyle of these beats and rhymes. A lifetime through these papers lines. A lifestyle of these streets and grind. This is real life and you can't press rewind.
I've scribbled rhythms on the way to top of totems, and I did it every day. God told him, I just wrote them. Open mic soda, y'all some tiny iota. I just keep my mind focused as I move in time forward. It's mad funny how brothers pretend to be artists just for some fast money. Fragile like glass bunnies. Y'all crash dummies and we 10 toes down. Y'all be clever in that scene, but we invent those sounds. All offense, cause this music is a lifestyle. That's why I'ma be hot forever, not just right now. So pipe down, take notice how to move. Don't mistake me for no fool. Every day we coming through with the finest, from the dirt to diamonds. With a plus or minus, we gon' hurt the spineless. Phony acts flexing cash, who be whack rappers. We be the teachers of this class, you got it ass backwards.
A lifestyle of these beats and rhymes. A lifetime through these papers lines. A lifestyle of these streets and grind. This is real life and you can't press rewind.
Right now you tuned in to Word on the Streets Radio with D Tragic on 91.9 FM, KCSB, 7 bar.
You can't press rewind. One time for hip hop, you know what I'm saying?
I think that was the one.